I just want to talk about how you can modify or vary the resistance on the band when you're using it, because you don't just want to get used to one type of resistance. And bands are actually very, very versatile in how much resistance you can have on them. So I'm just going to start here just by showing you with the 1/4 inch band to start. So if you're first starting out, you really maybe haven't done too much in the gym, you don't really lift a lot of weights or heavy weights, you may just want to start with just using just a single strand. So what you'll do is you'll just step on the band itself with just one loop around, and then you'll just grip down on the band itself. And I'm just going to demonstrate using rows because it's the easiest one. And you can do your rows from here. And as you want to progress through, you can grip a little bit further down on the band. That adds a little bit more resistance. From there, I can actually loop it. So now I'm going to hold to the two ends and I'm going to step on both of the bands, or both strands of the band, with my feet relatively close together. I'm going to grip into the handles and I'm going to pull from there. If I want to progress that out, I just add a little bit more band underneath my feet and I can do my rows from there. And last but not least, if I want even more resistance, instead of holding in the loop, I can actually grip down on the band itself. All right. Now the thing to keep in mind is with this 1/4 inch band, there's a limit to how much resistance we can add to it before it snaps. And so it's not really meant to give a lot of resistance. So if you want some heavier resistance, I would suggest you grab a larger band. So this is 2 steps up. So this is about 1 inch, that's a 1/4 inch. So there is a 1/2 inch band that you can use as well, but this could be used in the exact same way. I can start off just by a single underneath my feet and doing my rows here. I can double it up and do my rows from there as well. Right, so those are some different ways that we can vary the resistance on the band. I just showed you one exercise, but you can use it for pretty much any exercise. Squats, deadlifts, rows, pushes, they all work.